first start, sitting in the dark, looking a little lost, agony in box at the same spot that I got on to be a safe place, but it ain't. Is it time to me to vacate or prevail? All the madness happens in the mind. It's chanceless for you to see the scenes behind the chapters. A truly victimized, a hurt to conscience is breaking through the shackles. Now watch this. Channelizing my inner voices have been devised in many different ways to just fill the pen, rage and destroy it. Bit annoying that I'm only decoying myself into believing that everything is fine as I'm marching on this grind every day, pulling all of the weights of my artistic traits are in horrific states. To be silent, to pray, to keep violence at bay. In my mind, I'm not kind to me trying again. So sick and tired to get rejects when every time I take a step I sink into the lower step. My confidence is fully wrecked to rectify a retrospect. My chest be higher, head to set. I must strive to find the strength even when it's away from them. But I'm mentally empty, the sentimentally depleted. When they send for me, I see them get eventually defeated. Cause I've been through these ideas, assimilating them before. Can't help me, but you can't kill. I got nothing more to lose, so
என் வானமே கொல்லாதே என்னாலும் மழை மழையோ சொல்லாமலே நான் தேடும் என் தேடல் விடுகதையோ கடமையை செய் பலனை விடு இருதயத்தை இறுக்கிவிடு உதவியை செய் மறந்துவிடு உதவியவரை வணங்கிவிடு உனக்கென நீ ஒருவனைதான் உறுதுணையாய் இருப்பதனால் தோல்வியிலும் வெற்றியிலும் இருந்திடலாம் ஒரு நாள் வரும் நேரமும் நீயாரென்று உனக்கே சொல்லும் புரிகிறதா என் வானமே கொல்லாதே என்